Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in beautiful Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5. Power for this Tacoma comes from a 3.5 liter V6 engine mounted to an automatic transmission and four-wheel drive. From the side we've got black alloy rims and color matched door handles and mirrors with tinted privacy glass for your passengers. Coming around to the front, we're going to find our blacked out grille with our chrome Toyota badging and fog lights. Inside we have some fantastic features too, so let's hop right in and check out what the interior has to offer. So jumping inside, if we check out the door panel over here, we've got our power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as our automatic high beams. And on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we're going to find our audio controls and hands-free Bluetooth calling. Over here on the right is different info you can access up on the dash, as well as our quick buttons for our forward collision alert and lane departure alert. And right down here, you will find the cruise control. Moving on over to the center console, we have an AM/FM stereo with Bluetooth and Sirius satellite radio that does come with a 3-month subscription. We also have a bunch of other info that you can access by going into your menu. We've got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. And you can go in and customize your screen to look exactly as you want it. Moving down, we are going to find our electronic climate control with air conditioning. We also have our front heated seats, our four-wheel drive dial, and our heated mirrors. And right down there, we've got our auxiliary and USB power inputs. If we check out the mirror, we are going to find our auto dimming mirror with the compass in it. And swinging around to look at the back, we've got seating for 3 back there with this like new gray cloth interior. So let's hop out and check out the rear of this Tacoma and see what's going on back there. Moving around back, we're going to see our rear mounted shark fin antenna and our rear window slider. Back here, you're also going to find your Tacoma 4x4 and V6 badging. Looking down, we've got our trailer hitch along with our electrical to hook your brakes up, and then we are going to find a hard tunnel cover there as well. We do have the backup camera just to the left of the latch, as well as our locking tailgate, which goes along awesome with the tunnel cover. So thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2020 Toyota Tacoma SR5 with me. If you'd like to see it for yourself, come down to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you have questions before making the trip, you can give us a call Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Tacoma and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everyone's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.